Hello everyone, this is brief video introduction for QQM Quantitative Week 19. So you're nearly there. Essentially this week is quite short in the sense of what I give you to do, and hopefully it won't take you too long and you can get your heads around it quickly enough to be able to whiz through this. But essentially this week is all about power and effect size, two things that are related significantly. Essentially, there's a lecture I did, very brief, 20 minutes, with an audio commentary and the slides. So you watch that, make notes on that. Then I've got a key reading from a book by Clark Carter, which is a student's companion to stats, essentially, and he's got a small chapter, it's only about 10 pages, on power and effect size. So I suggest you read that and make notes on it. It's available as an ebook, so you don't have to buy this or even take out a physical copy if you don't want to. And then finally, you will download to your own machine a free bit of software called G-Power. I mean, you can get rid of it after you've done this if you want, but it's free and it's kosher. That is a free statistical package, essentially, that calculates power for you. And you will, using the knowledge you've gained from looking at the reading the lecture slides, listening to the lecture commentary, and reading that chapter, you will perform a power analysis on your own study, and you will post on the discussion board your rationale for doing that power analysis, including the effect size you've chosen, the p-value you've chosen, and how many participants you will require in your study, essentially. It would make sense to use your dissertation project for this. However, there are two caveats. It might be that you are doing a qualitative project. If that's the case, then if you can design very quickly or think about how you could do it quantitatively, then use that as your example, essentially. It could also be the case that you're a part-time student, you're not doing your dissertation yet. Well, you might have some vague idea about what it might be. Well, just run with it. I don't want any details really about the study. You just need to think about, okay, what's the kind of study it might be, how many conditions there might be, what sort of vague analysis you might do on it, which you should have a very good idea with, because you've almost finished QQM, so you're now experts in quantitative statistical research in psychology. So yeah, so that's this week. Any questions as ever, let me know, and I'll look at your G-Power stuff during week 19 and week 20. Week 20, just a heads up, it's really going to be a revision week, so I'm just going to put some revision material up there. So nothing really new for week 20. So you're nearly there. You've all done extremely well. Keep going. It's nearly Christmas. All right, cheers. Bye.